This isn't just a fighter jet. It's the most advanced war machine in the sky, the F-35 Lightning II. Built by Lockheed Martin, it's a fifth-generation stealth fighter used by the US and allies globally. It's designed for air dominance in the 21st century. With radar-absorbing skin and an internal weapons bay, it's nearly invisible to enemy systems. The F-35's helmet lets the pilot see through the plane, projecting real-time data onto the visor. It's not just a jet, it's a flying supercomputer. It can carry up to 18,000 pounds of weapons, reach speeds over Mach 1.6, and even land vertically in its B variant. It handles air-to-air combat, ground attack, and electronic warfare, all in one mission.